Hi guys, this is John here. As part of this section, we will look at our competition for the company that we have started. Now, you have decided to come up with a product or service for your company. Now, another important thing for you guys to understand is who is my competition? Basically, who is the company who is offering a product or service which is similar. I'm using the word similar and not same because even if there is 50% similarity, that company is still your competition. Now, why do you need to know who your competition is? Let us say your customer wants to buy your product. Now, he has an option of buying from your company, let us say company A, but then he also looks at another company B, which is 50% similar, and starts thinking, hey, you know what? I could buy either from A or either from B. The minute the customer has this thought in his head, this company becomes your competition. So now you should be knowing beforehand who your competition is. Now you must be wondering, why do I need to know who my competition is? Well, if your customer isn't buying from you, he's buying from him. So this money that was supposed to come in your pocket now goes in company B's pocket. Do you want that? I'm sure not. So go ahead and find out who the competition is for your company. The best way to find out, Google it. So let's take an example. So you are aware of Uber, which provides taxis. And who is the biggest competition for Uber? Ola. There are some other companies as well, for example, CEO Cabs, and there are a few others that came. In the US, there is another company called Lyft, Lyft. So, vice versa, Uber is a competition for Ola as well. So, for Uber, the competition is Ola and Lyft. Now, another competition for Uber are the regular taxis. You might be wondering, well, but regular taxis do not have an app. Well, that's true, but they do have taxis. So there is similarity in terms of Uber providing taxis using an app, and regular taxis don't have an app. But still, the customer who wants a taxi can either choose an Uber through an app or also choose your regular taxi. So that makes regular taxis also a competition for Uber. So I hope this example is clear. Let's take another example. Now we have looked at Drona Aviation, and there they make drones. Now for Drona Aviation that makes drones, the biggest competition for Drona Aviation is a company called Crazy Fly. So let's look at the website for Crazy Fly. So Crazy Fly also makes drones, as you can see, and they have different products. They also make small drones. Drona Aviation also makes small drones, as you can see. They also have a programming platform. Drona Aviation also has a programming platform. So again, Drona Aviation knows that this company exists and they have already prepared and designed their product so that they are able to differentiate, and we will look at that in the next section. So the competition for Drona Aviation is Crazyflie, and both of them are trying to reach the same set of customers, which are students, hobbyists, and schools. So in this case, Drona Aviation's competition is Crazyflie. In the services front, we had looked at a company called VCAN Education. So VCAN Education also provides training programs on drones. Similarly, Eduvance also provides training programs on drones. So this makes VCAN a competitor for Eduvance for the drone training program. Now, Eduvance provides training programs on AR and VR, whereas VCAN does not. So in that case, VCAN and Eduvance are not competitors. So in areas where there is similarity, there is competition. Where there is no similarity, there is no competition. So when you look at companies who are similar to you, to your company, you have to understand that you will never have 100% exactness or 100% similarity. So you have to check how is this company's offering. When I say offering, it could be product or service. So the question is, how is this company's offering similar to mine? And the biggest question, can this company sell to my customer? And if the answer is remotely yes, then this company becomes your competition. Okay, guys? So go ahead and find out who your competition is. Find out their website, go Google them, and go ahead and put these values in the Entrepedia platform. So I hope this section was clear for you guys. I'll see you guys in the next section. Thank you.